Drier air is moving in for the weekend. I'm meteorologist Cindy O'Quinn in the UF Weather Center as we take a look at your future track. Not only just seeing a few spotty showers into this afternoon, so things will be a little bit quieter than they have been. Much of the activity staying down to the south of Ocala, and then up around Lake City could see a few spotty showers. But as we get more of that drier air really arriving late this afternoon, whatever is out there will dry up pretty quickly. So we're looking at some quiet weather heading into the overnight. But it is going to be a warm day, and as we talk about the weekend and looking ahead, our three big things is a high pressure going to be bringing that warmer weather for today and into Saturday. But next week, with a digging trough in the jet stream, we're going to see a wet pattern return, and in the tropics, not much to talk about over the next 5 days as no new development is expected. We're going to be taking a look at the upper level winds and watch what happens. We are still underneath that ridge of high pressure for this weekend into Saturday, but going into Saturday night and into Sunday and early next week, we start to see a little trough digging out in the jet stream, and that's actually going to be focusing where we'll see a little bit more wet, rainy pattern returning down to the state of Florida, getting into Monday and then into Tuesday, sort of focusing some more of the energy and more of the moisture for us to develop a few more of those scattered showers. Today, though, temperatures are still expected at 4 o'clock at 92. Then we fall down into the mid to upper 70s. This afternoon and then tomorrow into the middle 90s. We'll see 95 degrees on Saturday. But one thing we're going to be noticing is the heat index not quite as high, only up to 100, but it will be a hot one on Saturday temperature wise. Now the drier air stretches across the entire state onto Saturday, but then Sunday we start to see a little bit normal sea breeze activity returning for the western coastline, the southern half of the state. And by Sunday night into Monday, more chances of rain as we see that trough digging out. Temperature wise, though, we stay back into the low 90s for the next week.